Wait a minute. 3, 2, 1, start. Let's take a look at the entire gas calibration process. Let's set up some of our experiments first. Information or some valve information. In the upper left corner, there is an experiment setting here. Click it. Here is the experiment information. You can enter some valve information, such as the diameter number of the valve, and our working pressure, and the set pressure, medium, which can be set here. Then there is an educational number here. We are conducting, in our program division, 1 setting and 3 calibrations. After the 1-time setting and 3 checks are completed, and want to cut the next valve, we need to click on an automatic number, or manually number it. Then we scroll down here. There is a required set pressure. The required set pressure of this valve is 1.44. We just enter 1.44. Enter 1.44 here. We don't need to set the remaining valve information. Okay, you can go back. Input by yourself. You can take a closer look. The recipient, the client, and the inspection date can be set. Then you can do appearance inspection, disassembly inspection, and unqualified items. You can also set it here. Then, after setting is completed, scroll down. Click this to confirm the input. You can see the required set pressure here, which is 1.44 megapascals. The decimal part, you can choose the decimal places, or 3 digits with higher precision. Let's choose 3 digits first. Then, disallowable deviation is the actual set pressure, is the error range between our actual set pressure. Let's set it to 5%. Okay, and then our sealing and pressure holding time. Normally, it's about that. Almost all of them are 60 seconds. Now for the entire experiment, we will hold pressure for 5 seconds. And we can start the experiment, so our holding time is short. Now we can start the whole process. Let's start with the whole material. Then the difference between the employment mode, the difference between the single control mode and the continuous mode is. Continuous mode is that you are used to it. You are skilled. It's okay. You can operate the whole process. Choose continuous, step-by-step mode. Every time you do it, the buzzer will sound once, and you must click it again to use it. Now we choose the continuous mode here. Then select the sensor range. We are using a 16 megapascal pressure gauge. Select a 16 megapascal pressure sensor. Okay. Then we will start the setting. The setting means to set the safety valve to trip. And it's over. The calibration process is more troublesome. It may just be one. Then we turn on the pressure gauge switch and open our body central calibration valve. Then turn it on. Open it slowly, and don't open it too fast. Okay. It's over. You can see our. Click confirm. This is the actual set pressure. The current set pressure is green. The green one is something we can't change. Its actual set pressure is 1.455 megapascals. Then, after the setting is completed, unload first. After closing it, unload the pressure. Okay. When the pressure gauge is almost zero, then you can close it. Then click on Calibration, right. You can see that they are all here. And this is our reminder for each step. Operation steps. Then turn on the rescue switch. Okay. Then Sheik, open the unloading valve. See, he doesn't fully unload. It's 70% of the set pressure. Then remind to increase pressure again. Raise the pressure to 90% of the set pressure. When boosting the pressure, don't exceed the value prompted. Otherwise, the seal can't hold the pressure. You can't hold it now. Look, the pressure drop in 5 seconds. This is the real-time pressure drop. Okay. I'm doing it for the third time. You can unload it to 0.89 megapascals. Raise the pressure to 1 megapascal again. Okay, turn off. This is my third time. The 3 steps are the same. Follow the status display bar below to operate. After the third sealing and pressure holding is completed, you can unload the entire system. Okay, our entire gas calibration is completed. If the setting is not qualified, there is no need to calibrate it. We will only conduct the calibration when it passes. Then click End Experiment. Switch to this interface. Click Query here. To view the report we just generated, click Query Historical Data. Click Query Historical Data. It is to query the report. All reports from this time period to this time period. It can also be changed. We won't change it here. We just click Query. Okay, this is what we just did. Then click Generate Lesson Record. How? Here you can choose between coach records and reports. There are 2 forms. Then let's take a look at the records first. This is the actual pressure curve we just made. Then look at the record. Let's take a look at the report first. Okay, let's close it.